Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to update your relationship status to divorced on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC with the latest update. It's a straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can make changes to your profile without any issues. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your Facebook profile page, where all your personal information is displayed. Once you're on your profile, scroll down a little and find the section labeled About. Click on it to dive into the details you've shared on Facebook about yourself. Inside the About section, look for Family and Relationships. This is where you manage your relationship status and family connections. Click on this tab to open the options. Now, you'll see an option to add a relationship status. Click this to open a list of different statuses you can choose from, including single, married, in a relationship, and of course, divorced. Select divorced from the list. Once you've made your choice, it's important to click Save to confirm the change. Without saving, the update won't be applied to your profile. And that's it. Your relationship status on Facebook is now updated to divorced. This change will be visible to your friends and followers depending on your privacy settings. If you want to adjust who can see this information, you can always manage those options separately in your profile privacy settings. Changing your status like this is simple, but can feel like a big step, so take your time. And make sure you're comfortable with the update before saving it. If you ever want to change it back or update it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for watching.